How to enable voice input speech to text on keyboard. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Scroll down in settings and click on system. After you click on system in here, click on languages and input at the top. Then click on virtual keyboard. Select the keyboard you're using. You'll find all the settings of it. Click on voice typing in here. Then turn this on. Make sure use voice typing is turned on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to enable voice input speech to text on keyboard. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.